Oh, it's fine. Don't worry. It's all good. Everything's fine. Yep, plenty of room. Oh, man. Evan, I found our lunch.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I'll let you know what it is later. Just chilling on the trampoline. All right, what's up, guys? My name is Dylan Shortness. I'm a licensed HVAC technician. I do installs and service, and I record myself doing it. Today, we're back at the install we were at yesterday. If you missed that video, go check it out. It's called This House is Falling Apart. Let's put a furnace in it. Really funny video. Go check that out. Today's going to be more of a helpful video. I'm going to give my tips and what I've learned, what I've picked up. I've done multiple of this scenario. So I'm going to give my tips on cutting registers in, installing register boots, and going from there. So I keep saying go from there because I used to watch Tedo Vlogs, HVAC vlogger, all the time, and he always says go from there. So that's the GOAT to me. Shout out to him. But anyways, that's what's going on in this video. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned. Peace. Whoa. Oh, it's fine. Don't worry. It's all good. Your turn. Everything's fine. Yep, plenty of room.
I believe.
Oh, man. Whoa. Rain it out and seal tight. I'm gonna wire it up. It's fine. It's fine. Evan, I found our lunch.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I'll let you know what it is later.
Oh, Jesus.
All right, now we gotta figure out this return. The existing is right here. This is our existing, and it's pinned in all the way down there. It's pretty nasty. They need to clean that for sure. So, okay, so I'm gonna cut that 12 by 14. It gives us 1,000 CFM. It's a 2-ton system. That's good enough. Plenty of airflow. 2-ton units only need 800 CFM, but 1,000's fine. A little bit more is fine. It'll be okay. And this is a low budget job. Can't do too many modifications. This is what I've got, so I'm gonna make it work. So, I'm just gonna keep it over in this corner. That square, and they'll just have to fix this part of the floor. It is what it is. They got a lot of fixing up to do anyways. Then we gotta move that one over here. But let's do this return first. Okay, so those are my measurements of the inside. So it'll sit nice and this lip will cover it. We got this joist right here. We're gonna stay to the left of that. Don't cut into that. All right, so I just tucked some plywood back there because it's obviously missing the rest of the floor. But I'm not a carpenter and I'm not doing that for them. So there's your register. Put your flooring around it and you're good. Patch that up. Boom. Okay, I couldn't leave it wobbling like that. I braced it. They need to put a floor here. Then it's perfect. All right, getting ready to move this one now. The way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna cut this loose and just take the register boot out. That's out of the way. Then I'm gonna come over here, roughly in this area. Probably center it with this joist space here. Send a pilot bit down. We'll go see where it's at and then measure from there. Let's say I put my pilot bit down here and I'm too close to something down there, then we can come either forward or off of it. We can adjust from that pilot. So that's what we'll do first. That is not looking good. Look at the register bit, it goes into whatever that area is.
We're gonna have to come out a little.
Absolutely, we're coming out a little. All right. So this, as you saw, is coming up at an angle. So really that section cuts off like right here. So we're gonna be out pretty far from the window, which is okay. It's honestly not that far. That one's way too close to the wall anyways, let's be honest. So somewhere in this category. Go see where that's at. It's like 2 inches from that. Okay. Okay, so we're 2 inches from that little beam, I guess you could call it. It's about right here. So that's where we're gonna start. I'm gonna come over about an inch, but that's gonna be as far as I'm gonna go in to the wall. So we'll sit out about right here. Look pretty good. All right, so when I measure this out, these are 4x12 registers. It's a little less than 12, but I'm gonna cut it right at 12 so they have room to slip in our register boot. This one's a little less than 4. I might even cut it 4 1/8 just to be a little bit on the safe side. You do have a 3/4 inch lip all the way around, so when it sits down in there, it'll sit nice and pretty. This one's dusty already. I brought it inside. If you're wondering why I put it here and didn't center it in front of the window, it's because we got another run right there. So I'm trying to keep some space between them. We just have to add some more runs to get the proper airflow. So this one's moving. There's gonna be a closet built right here. We got one there. We're gonna add another one in the kitchen somewhere. So this one's gotta be put here. Normally I would center it in front of the window, but in this case, that's not what we're doing. Okay, I got my square marked out. I went back about an inch and we got pretty much all the room down below. So we're gonna cut this in, go from there. All right, we got that one done. Looks kind of funky with the light like that, but there she is, nice and straight, nice and pretty. I use the Sawzall most of the time, but the multi-tool for the sides. Just whatever's easiest, whatever you're comfortable with. Unless you take 20 minutes to cut one of those in, then you just need to get the cutting torch out. Just call the FBI, SWAT. Okay, we're gonna do the same exact thing for the bathroom. Probably put it right here in front of this window. Send a pilot bit down, see where we're at, mark our hole, 4x12, cut her in. Real simple, cut hole, register boot, airflow. But I'm starving, so we're gonna get some lunch first. Stay tuned. All right, back from lunch, got the register boots. I'm gonna nail this one in, put the register back on it. Boom, boom. Okay, right now I'm only doing one nail on each side so we can rock it back and forth when we're putting the pipe on. So if you made all your measurements right, that's how it'll look for you. All right, so my thought process here is they've got washer and dryer here and here. It's gonna come out to at least here. Okay. Then I got a door that's either gonna open this way or this way. Either way, it's gonna come out to about here. So I'm gonna center it between this space here. It's gonna look a little weird on the window, but that's where it needs to be in this category. All right, let's go see what that looks like. Okay, so that looks good. Door opening's about 34.5. It's gonna be smaller than that with the hinges and all that, but that's where that puts me. The door can go over the register. I just don't want the door open sitting on the register. And you know that's gonna happen. So we're going to come over about 1.5 inches there. And then that puts us, come over about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Puts us in this category for our 12 inches. So that's only a slight overlay. I'm good with that. We're gonna put it right there. And again, I can't center it under the window because we have a washer and dryer. So, all right, we got that marked out. There is a wire running right under it basically. It can be moved when we're putting the duct on, but I'm not gonna put a Sawzall on this. At least not on this side. It's gonna be mostly the multi-tool. And again, I'm only gonna put 2 nails, one each side, so we can rotate that when we're putting the pipe on. Okay, we got that one done. I'm gonna do one more in the kitchen. We got one right there already. I'm gonna put another one behind this door. Boom. And we are gonna make it the same exact distance from the wall here as we are here. Oh, there she be. Well, that really screws me up. As you can see, there's a joist, floor joist that goes about 4 inches away from this. So really it's right here. So we got a floor joist going like that. So obviously that is not gonna work right there. But what I'm thinking is, put it this way, slide the fridge over. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be the best bet. If it were up to me, the homeowner would be here and they'd show me where everything's going and I'd pick a better spot, but this is what we're working with. This is how I do it. I take the multi-tool, make a nice little slit, and then I put the Sawzall in it. Some people are skilled enough to where they can just start it with a Sawzall. I can sometimes. Most of the time I end up breaking my wrist, so. All right, guys, those are my tips for cutting in registers. We're wrapping it up for the day. I'll go show you what Evan's getting done. He's the only one doing any real work today. I'm gonna show you this little bit and then we're out of here. So that wraps up another day. Easy one. All right, so as you can see, he's getting a lot done. A lot of that stuff is old pipe because we took it down and we're reusing it. That's what's in the bid. Cheaper for the customer. Still moves air. It's all good. That's gonna do it for this video. If you learned anything or enjoyed it in any way, make sure you leave a like. I think we're at 285 subscribers, so we're climbing. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.